Hello, welcome to my presentation about my newest Micro SaaS idea. So the Planero is an application for planning your delivery if you are in the middle of the supply chain. So if you have like clients and there are businesses where you deliver things, so it's actually managing this delivery process. So you have your products which you specify, and you have your customers that you deliver things to, and you have suppliers that you deliver things from, and there is a process called delivery basically. So delivery is combining all of that. It's all built within React, and I'm using like a Python library called Django, which is like it's a automagical library, so it's actually does quite a lot for me. There is a Postgres database, and it's all hosted within render, so I'm kind of paying there like a couple of bucks per month, or maybe like $20 per month to have like all of that and for testing. So I've been working on it for last maybe 3 or 4 months, like in my free time, and recently a bit more actually. So I would say I've probably spent like 200 hours, and then I've been working with 2 junior developers who are actually like helping me with that. They probably did like another 10% of that, like maybe 20 or 30 hours of work. And I have like a client that I'm building it for. So it's like my friend who is actually delivering things from one place to the other. So his idea was basically like he's using Excel because he couldn't find an application that would be doing that. So he was trying like things like Asana, where you could just like drag and drop things, like deliver. And so he would actually arrange deliveries that way, but it didn't really work for him because so Asana is for more like a project management planning. He was trying to use Microsoft 360, like this Dynamics 360 or something, but it's just too big. It's like huge and hard to set it up. So he ended up using Excel basically. So he's using spreadsheet to actually manage it all. So yeah, let me just show the application quickly. So I have basically 3 folders, but I'm not using one. So I've got web stuff here and the backend here. I started with mobile, but he didn't like the mobile because he thought like it should be probably closer to Excel. And then so there's backend. So this is Django. So we run it with Python managed by run server. There's obviously like React, web, npm dev. Yeah, so it's a Vite project, so it's just gonna run it in port 3000. For some reason it logged in straight away. It should not. There is some sort of test user. There is a password that I changed obviously, so the suggestion is incorrect. And yeah, so there's an ability to add products, so you can edit them almost like in Excel. So I can just edit them here, and then like I can assign them to different companies. So there are clients, customers, we call them. You can assign them to that. So this is the customer who is actually we are delivering it to. There is some SKU, so it's SKU, so which is like your internal numbering for the product. There's quantity, so this is quantity of like how many you deliver basically. So this is actually straight from his Excel, and we actually imported it here. There's import and export Excel functionality, and there is also producer who is producing the thing. There's some made up stuff. There's some from his Excel, so those are his clients. So I hope I can show it. And there's the ability to show the product details, and which are actually they are showing, and this is also showing which deliveries this product is in. You can just view delivery. So we have products here, we have suppliers, and this the reason why it's empty, I can actually edit them. So this is actually imported straight from his Excel, so it's actually populated that with suppliers, which the functionality which I vibe coded, and it was actually built by accident, but it's actually working quite well. So I will just keep it. It's great for that. So it's actually giving me option to give a contact person. So let's say it's Maciej, which is my name, and I can save it. So now it's saved into database. There's some email. gmail.com. Don't try to send things there because you're not going to reach me. And there's a number 555. Let's say there's some address details, just normal inputs. Address one. And I can assign products here, so there will be actually manage products. I can assign product. I can search for product, obviously. So I have all my defined products here, and I can assign them here. So this is it, and then I can delete and view products, obviously. Same for suppliers. And then there is delivery process, which has name, which has order, when it was ordered, when it's expected, and products assigned. So I can assign them here, like I just did before. And I've got some special statuses, which I can set the status. And then I have a Kanban board, which is where I can update my Kanban thing. And the board is actually, I think it's pretty nice, and it's also like vibe coded. And I've just copied what they have in Trello. I mean, in terms of like a layout and how it's actually working. So, and it's the horizontal scroll doesn't seem to work. Because I have to scroll here. So basically, I think there's a small bug, but doesn't matter. And I've got some reports which are just showing which products are the most popular, what was the history of of deliveries, and how many was delivered this month, how many was ordered, and who is doing them. And then there is an option to define my statuses. So I can specify delivery statuses. I can add another one. I can delete this this one. And just have my own, and then I can just drag and drop them, move them around if I want to. So they would change the order. Yeah, my daughter is playing there. Some account stuff and logout. And what I'm doing now, I'm doing payments. So like currently I'm trying to integrate Stripe here. And I think it's integrated but not tested well, so I have to do that. Like the reason why I'm doing this video is actually I just had like this really cool, I heard this really cool podcast from I don't remember. I will link it in the description. And the guy was talking that if you have your small SaaS that you are building, you should start talking about it early. So I learned that I should be talking about it early, and this is why I'm making this video. If you like it, I will upload one of those videos every day for next 30 days, and I will see where it goes. So hopefully I will actually have a product that will actually pay my bills and stuff, and this idea will work. But otherwise, it's something that I really like to do. That's something that I really want to build, and my friend is actually already starting using it. So I think there is a market for that. So I think it's a great idea, and it's not a huge market, but I think I can maybe feed my family with that. So tomorrow I will be working on Stripe again, and hopefully I will show you how this works. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good luck with your SaaS products. I hope you like mine. Maybe if you are managing deliveries for some reason and you are one of those tiny group of people who are actually doing that, maybe you will find it useful, or maybe someone who does it. You can send it too. So yeah, thanks for your time, and yeah, have a nice day.